Hema Malini, age 74 years, assets approx 279 crore, income 1.27 crore per year and education PhD. Narendra Modi, age 73 years, assets 3 crore, income 23 lakh per annum, education MA. Amit Shah, age 59 years, assets 65 crore, income 75 lakh per annum, education BSc. Nitin Gadkari, age 67 years, assets 28 crore, income 13 lakh per annum, education LLB. Kangana Ranaut, age 37 years, assets 91 crore, income 4 crore per year and education class 12th. Smriti Irani, age 48 years, assets 17 crore, income approx 1 crore per year and education undergraduate. Rahul Gandhi, age 53 years, assets 20 crore, income 1 crore per year and education MPhil. Shashi Tharoor, age 68 years, assets 56 crore, income 4 crore per year and education PhD. Akhilesh Yadav, age 50 years, assets 42 crore, income 84 lakh per year and education BE. Dimple Yadav, age 46 years, assets 42 crore, income 67 lakh per year and education BCom. Shivraj Singh Chauhan, age 65 years, assets 8.98 crore, income 32 lakh per year and education MA. Harshimit Kaur Badal, age 57 years, assets 198 crore, income 31 lakh per year and education matriculation only. Shatrughan Sinha, age 77 years, assets 210 crore, income approx 1.5 crore, education graduate. Asuddin Owaisi, age 54 years, assets 23 crore, income 22 lakh per year and education LLB. Rajnath Singh, age 72 years, assets 7 crore, income 25 lakh per year and education postgraduate. Digvijay Singh, age 77 years, assets 50 crore, income 22 lakh, education Bachelor of Engineering. Arun Govil, age 72 years, assets 14 crore, income 61 lakh per year and education BSc. Dolly Sharma, age 40 years, assets 2 crore, income 4.85 lakh per year and education MBA. Rajesh Ranjan alias Pappu Yadav, age 56 years, assets 10 crore, income 4.5 lakh per year and education graduate. Tariq Anwar, age 73 years, assets 19 crore, income 13 lakh per year and education BSc. Giriraj Singh, age 71 years, assets 14 crore, income 16 lakh per year and education BA. Piyush Goyal, age 59 years, assets 110 crore, income 87 lakh per year and education LLB CA. Bhupesh Baghel, age 63 years, assets 34 crore, income 29 lakh per year and education postgraduate. Ravi Kishan, age 55 years, assets 43.32 crore and income 2.67 crore per year and education intermediate. Misha Bharti, age 47 years, assets 10.26 crore, income 14.85 lakh per year and education MBBS. Anurag Thakur, age 50 years, assets 12.26 crore, income 26 lakh per year and education BA. Chirag Paswan, age 42 years, assets 2.68 crore, income 12 lakh per year and education BTech. Omar Abdullah, age 53 years, assets 54.46 lakh, income 13 lakh per year and education BCom. Kanhaiya Kumar, age 37 years, assets 10 lakh, income 18,000 and education PhD.